My name's Brett Parry and I'm the chairman stroke coach of Mardy Boxing Club. Mardy Boxing Club was set up in February 2013 on the back of the old boxing club closing in Ferndale. We were in the old Mardy Infant School, so we were in situ there from February 2013 until we were given the opportunity to come to these premises. My long-term objective for the boxing club was to have a building of its own. Boxing clubs notoriously run on a shoestring, and I just wanted to be different. I knew that if I could get my hands on a building, that it would be part of Mardy, and Mardy would have a boxing club for many years to come. When we took it over, it was an old electric substation, which I think was back in the 30s. It had no running water, no electricity, no facilities whatsoever. We needed to have a plan in terms of grant funding because we knew what we wanted, but the problem we didn't have the money to do it. So that's when the venture started. We didn't really know what to do in terms of gaining the funding. We were in negotiations with the likes of Sports Wales, the Welsh Church Act. Julie Price was fundamental behind the success. And once we started moving, it just snowballed. We managed to buy all brand new equipment, new flooring, there's a new ring. We had funding in terms of developing the inside, the outside, a new roof was put on. We've come quite a long way in terms of a little boxing club that's only been established for 3 years to we're now potentially within the next 2 years owning a state-of-the-art boxing club. We just want to offer a facility, a boxing club. Lots of people think that boxing clubs are there for people to fight, and it's not about that. We hold several classes, from beginning classes, fitness classes, boxercise classes. It's just providing the village of Mardy a facility to come and learn, get fit, get a little bit of discipline, respect each other, learn, meet new people, new friends. It can be quite daunting sometimes for people to walk into a boxing club because of the reputation that it's got. But yeah, we'll encourage anyone in the local area to come down, show a face, because it can offer a lot more than what people think.